Jasper Beamish Wooden Railway, Episode 52, Toby's Big Day. One day, the Fat Controller had sent Toby to do a very important job. He was at the Search and Rescue Centre. Soon Toby arrived. "Hello, Toby," said Harvey. Today, the Fat Controller wants you to be in charge of the breakdown train today because I'm going to get myself rebuilt. And if you have a problem, ask Flynn because he'll be travelling with you in case you have any difficulties. "Oh, all right," said Toby. This is exciting." "I know," said Harvey. Now, when the siren goes, you have to listen carefully to what the manager says and rush straight to the accident site and Flynn will be coming beside you. Not beside you, behind you. "All right," said Toby. "I've got all that." "Good," said Harvey, and all that he puffed away to be rebuilt. Toby was excited. The wait was quite a while, but finally the alarm sounded. "Oh my gosh," said Toby. "What is it?" Then the manager called out, "Philip has fell over while passing through the yard. All hands on deck." "All right," said Toby, and with that he rushed away, and Flynn followed close behind. And indeed, Philip had fallen over. He had gone around the bend through the Cal Street crossing too fast, and his wheels had left the rails and he had tipped over. Soon Toby raced up to help. "Oh, hi, Philip." "Oh, hi, you are okay?" "Yeah," said Philip. "I'm fine. Just a little few dents and scrapes." "Oh, all right," said Toby. And soon a workman jumped out and hooked Philip to the breakdown train hook. And with that, he started to lift Philip up. Inch by inch, Philip slowly managed to get back onto the rails. "All right," said Toby. "Wait," said Flynn. Toby, stop! You haven't hooked securely the breakdown train's crane yet." And Flynn was right. The magnet snapped, and Toby was now and Philip was now balancing on the top of the breakdown train's crane. "Whoa!" said Philip. No! And with that, Philip toppled down the breakdown train and had nearly missed its flatbed and landed on his side on top of Toby. "Oh dear," said Toby. Sorry, Philip, didn't mean for you to do that." That's all right," said Philip. Soon, Flynn taught Toby how to be not a rushed engine, and every time all that day, when an engine needed to be lifted back, Toby always listened to Flynn, and eventually, at the end of the day, Toby and Flynn brought the breakdown train back to the Search and Rescue Centre. "Well," said Captain, "guys, how did it go?" Not too bad," said Toby. On my first lift back, it was to lift Philip back after he fell over. It wasn't quite ideally good, but with the help of Flynn, it made me a true search and rescue vehicle." Just then, Harvey returned. He was rebuilt, he had a new shape, he was now a different colour, and he looked splendid. Well, Flynn, Toby, how did you go? Oh, I went excellent, said Toby. Yeah, I just heard all that too, said Butch and Howells. And with that, Flynn, Butch, Harold, Captain, Harvey, and the breakdown train all gave 5 cheers to Toby the tram engine, who deserved it most.